Hey everyone, we are here at Volvo San Antonio. This is Esperanza from Service, and today we're going to be telling you how to maintain optimal battery life in your Volvo. So Esperanza, what is the best way to maximize your battery life?
So especially right now with everything that's going on, the stay-at-home order and whatnot, we aren't moving our vehicles as much, meaning that you aren't charging your battery with your alternator movement. So one good thing, a good rule of thumb, is to move your car at least once a week for 15 to 30 minutes. So especially right now, you can take a drive out in the hill country and look at all the wildflowers and then just come back home. But other than that, just make sure you're moving your car at least once a week.
That's a great idea and some great information. Is there an additional way that they could maybe maximize their battery life?
So you could also use a what's called a battery charger. So this just stays running and continues to charge your battery as it's turned off. The alternator isn't running and turning the battery, so this would actually do what the alternator does for your vehicle.
Okay, so I see that we actually have these all on our showroom cars, but is there a place where our customers would be able to purchase one for their Volvo?
Yes, ma'am. So you would actually be able to purchase the battery chargers in the parts department right here, right behind me.
Okay, and last but not least, one more question. If we have a low battery warning, is that normal after a car's been sitting for a while?
Yes, ma'am. So if you're not driving the car, that means the battery's not being recharged. So a low battery warning, or whenever you first start it up, is quite normal. But with that being said, you don't want that warning turning on very often, because what you can do is damage your battery. So batteries should typically last about 4 to 5 years, but by letting it sit too long and getting that repeated battery warning, you're actually going to shorten the battery's life by a year or so.
Very helpful. Well, thank you so much. And if you have any other questions, please call Volvo of San Antonio Service Department.